Hey guys, welcome back. It's the Apple Professional. Today I'm going to do another video. I'm going to tell you why you should go and replace your battery of your iPhone. So now if you're going to go on eBay, if you're going to go on Amazon and you're going to go buy an iPhone second-handedly or a used iPhone, then you should go check the battery health, and based on the battery health, then you should know whether to buy a new battery for your iPhone. So basically, I went on Amazon and I bought a new battery for my iPhone 6s because I did buy it used. It was like at 76% battery health, and I could barely even get a day in it. Like I usually got like maybe 1 or 2 hours with the phone. So I went on Amazon and searched for a high capacity battery, ordered it, then replaced it, and then as you can see, if you go into my settings here, and then if I scroll down, if I go to my battery section, if I go to my battery health section, as you can see, my battery capacity is back at 100% capacity, and I usually get 1 or 2 hours of battery life, like from 100% to 0%. With my iPhone 6s before the battery was replaced, but now I'm getting a screen time of 5.5 hours. 5.5 hours, and that's after I replaced the battery of my iPhone. See, I can even show it to you in my settings. This was a few days ago. I was charging my phone up to 100%. Do that. And the last charge level was 9:54 a.m. and that was 100%. And as you can see, it's been draining slowly, and I haven't charged it ever since. It's at like 0 or 10%, like almost 0% that it's been charging. You can see I have a screen on time of 5 hours and 44 minutes and a screen off time of 28 minutes. And I was really surprised that I could get this much battery life on an iPhone 6s that came out 5 years ago, and it's known for bad battery life. 5.5 hours, and I don't even have a battery case. I haven't been charging it throughout the day. As you can see here, it doesn't even say that I've been charging it again until it's almost dead. And I don't even have a battery case. I have a clear case. So if you are new to my channel, you want to see, this is my clear case that I use for my iPhone. No, I don't even have another secondary battery case. Even if I did, you would see in this thing that it's charging, but like it's not. So like battery health. So I got a lot of battery after I got more screen on time with my battery after replacing it. So if you think you need a new battery, like your iPhone's glitching out, it's really slow, you're getting less battery life every time with your phone. Your phone is heating up a lot, and you get any of those signs, or if you don't know, then just go watch a signs of replacing battery video. Actually, if you want, I'll go and make that video for you guys. So yeah, and also the reason I got 5.5 hours with my iPhone 6s, I know it says 5 hours and 44 minutes, but I was charging it and using it for a little bit more time. But I can't believe it. 5 hours and 30 minutes on an iPhone 6s with a 4.7-inch screen and a small chassis. 5.5 hours. That's like iPhone XR battery. An iPhone XR, it has a bigger battery. It's a bigger chassis and bigger phone. So like, so the way how I did this is basically, I got a 2600 milliamp hour battery for my iPhone 6s, and I replaced it, and then it has 100% capacity, and then as soon as I get out of bed and I take my phone off of charging, I put it on low power mode, because I know low power mode will get you an extra hour of battery life. So it would have usually gotten 3 or 4 hours, but with low power mode I got 5 hours. So that's basically it. That's basically why you should go and replace your battery, because it's very useful, and it'll get you ton more battery life. In my case, I got 4 more hours of battery life, and that is on an old iPhone 6s. Well, it's showing its age. That released in 2015. I mean, it's kind of old. So this was like the average battery of an iPhone 11 Pro. Like the iPhone 11 Pro probably has a few more hours, but like this is a lot. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please comment down below and I will get back to you. Other than that, I will see you all in the next video. And also, please give a like to this video and comment down below. And also subscribe to my channel because every subscriber does count and is counted, and it will help my channel immensely. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace out till then. Whoosh.